Looking for the best animation tool in 2026? In this video, we are comparing ToonBee AI and Vyond to see which one offers better features, ease of use, pricing, and overall value. Introduction. Both ToonBee AI and Vyond help you create animated videos without advanced design skills. However, they target different users and have different strengths. Here's what you need to know before choosing one. Ease of use. ToonBee AI is designed for beginners. You simply enter a script, choose a style, and the AI generates an animated video with characters, voiceovers, and scenes automatically. Vyond has a slightly steeper learning curve. While it also includes AI features, it gives you much more manual control over characters, scenes, animations, and timing. If speed is your priority, ToonBee AI is easier. If customization matters more, Vyond wins. Features. ToonBee AI focuses on AI powered video creation. It offers text to animation, AI voiceovers, automatic scene generation, and ready made templates, making it ideal for creating videos quickly. Vyond offers a much larger animation toolkit. You get customizable characters, lip sync, motion effects, team collaboration, brand assets, and advanced editing options. It's built for professional business presentations, training videos, marketing content, and educational animations. Pricing. ToonBee AI is generally more affordable and works well for individuals, freelancers, and small creators. Vyond is more expensive but provides enterprise level features, better collaboration tools, and higher production quality, making it a strong choice for businesses and larger teams. Which one should you choose? Choose ToonBee AI if you want fast AI generated animated videos, if you are a beginner, if you have a smaller budget, if you mainly create YouTube or social media content. Choose Vyond if you need professional quality animations, if you want complete editing control, if you create business, corporate, or educational videos, and if you work with a team. Final verdict. For most beginners and solo creators, ToonBee AI offers the fastest way to create animated videos with minimal effort. But if you are looking for advanced animation tools, professional customization, and long term scalability, Vyond remains the stronger overall platform in 2026. If you found this comparison helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other AI software comparisons. Thanks for watching and goodbye.